Morning class.
Yes,
How are we today?
fine.
Today we are going to talk on the computer software. Okay, before I elaborate, let me talk on what we talked in our previous class. We look on the element of the computer system. I said on the element of the computer system, we talked about the computer hardware and the computer software. These are the two basic elements of a computer system. So today we are going to look on the computer software. Okay, if I might ask you, what do you understand by the word software? Is there anyone with an idea? I guess not. Okay.
Software is part of the computer that cannot be touched or seen.
Okay. Okay. Software is the part of the computer system that coordinates the other section or the hardware section of a computer system. That was the main function of our software. Do you understand? It coordinates the other section or the other parts of the computer system. That's the hardware component of a computer system. This particular software is subdivided into two. We have the system software. We have the system software and we have the application software. We have the system software and the application software. The system software is an example or is a kind of software that was programmed during the manufacturing of a computer system. Do we understand?
Yes.
Like the utility software, the operating system, they are all programmed during the manufacturing of a computer system, like settings, etc. Do we understand?
Yes.
Okay, I said we have the operating system, right?
Yes.
The operating system, the utility software, right? And we have the settings. They all fall under the system software. Okay, like for the operating system serves as like the nervous system of a human being. It coordinates all the other components of a computer system. And this particular operating system is an intermediate between the computer hardware and the computer user. Do we understand?
Yes.
I said it's an intermediate, right? Between what? Between the computer hardware and and the computer user. Do we understand?
Yes.
Okay, like the utility software, the other basic components, like the settings, the recycle bin, all those icons that appears on the screen of a computer system, we call them icons. They are the utility software. Like the settings, we all know what settings is all about, right? Settings where you make or choose whatsoever kind of decoration or anything regarding to the computer system. Do we understand?
Yes.
Okay, now when we come back to the application software, this particular application software is categorized into two parts. The first one, we have the general purpose application software and the general purpose application software and the special purpose application software. Like I said, it was categorized into two parts. We have the general purpose application software and the special purpose application software. Okay, the general purpose application software, these are examples of software that is being used by everybody. Everybody can get access to it. Who can give me an example of one? Okay. Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access. They all fall under the general purpose application software. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Like for the special purpose application, these are examples of applications that are being used by individuals. Like for example, we have the what? The banking package or banking application. Do we understand?
Yes.
We have the what? Banking package or banking application. We have the what? The commercial packages or commercial application or marketing packages. Do we understand?
Yes.
Are we there?
Yes. Yes.
Any question, please? Any question? Yes.
You talk of the utility. May I know the difference between the utility software and the setting setting system software?
Okay, the difference between the utility software and the settings. The utility are those kind of applications that are being stored in the computer system during the manufacturing for future settings, like recognition of what? Memory in a computer system. The settings are types of what? Application that are being set in order for you to set up your what? Your computer system. Do you understand?
Are they like tools that you use that aid you to operate the system?
Yes. Thank you very much. That's it. Any question again, please?
You made mention of the software is an intermediate between the user and the computer.
No, operating system.
Okay, the operating
Yes,
system.
the operating system is an intermediate between the computer hardware and the computer user because it coordinates you, the user, to what? To operate the computer system, to know how to use the other component of the computer system, like memory allocation, device management, etc. Yes. Any question again?
If I may ask, sir,
Yes.
I don't know, without the operating system, can the computer be able to operate?
Like, it's like a man without a heart.
Okay.
It cannot function.
Okay.
Yes. Without the computer operating system, the computer is of no use. Yes. I hope you understand. Any question again? Okay. In the absence of question, in our next class, we are going to look on the other parts, or the other types of what? Softwares. The application software. Apart from the application software and the system software, we have the translators. That's programming applications. Do we understand?
Yes.
Okay. In the absence of question, we kiss the class bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Yes, somebody want to ask.
Okay, is there any question? Yes.
My question is, how can we see types of, for those that doesn't have the computer, can we see the practical aspect of the types of applications?
Applications. Okay. Sorry, my system here has a little problem, but when you own a computer system, don't forget that we have two types of booting, right? We have the home booting and the core booting. Do you understand? Okay, immediately when you own your computer system, what appears next is what? The computer desktop. Under the computer desktop, when it finishes booting, the computer desktop appears. Then you see small pictures, some small pictures. Those pictures, we call them icons. Those icons are the application or are the software. And in the layman definition, we say software is is an example of computer application that you can see but you cannot touch them. Do you understand? Yes. Is there any question here? Okay. Thank you very much. I think that's has come to the end of the class for today. Yes.